Welcome to the RPL Assess Registration. Thank you for taking the first step. Now go ahead and register your RTO, assessor, student, and select your first unit of competency. Complete the RTO registration. We use a mobile activation code to provide better security for you and your online operation. You will receive a text message within 30 seconds. Add your personal, custom subdomain to the favorites or bookmarks on your computer. You can now go directly to your subdomain to open your RTO portal. No need to return to the RPL Assess website. When open your custom subdomain, enter your email and password to log in. You'll see your RTO Administrator's dashboard appear. Register your assessor. Click on Assessors at the top menu to see the list of your registered assessors. When you click on New, the menu page will open. Start by entering your assessor's name, then your assessor's email. Ensure the active icon is on, blue. Use notes to include the units of qualifications this person is authorized to assess, the course or client this assessor will work with, their campus or location. Click the tick box to send an email to your assessor. Then click Add Assessor. Your assessor will receive an email with instructions on setting up their password and login. At this stage, your assessor does not have any students. You need to assign students and units of competency under your assessor. Assign your student. Click on Students at the top menu to see a list of your registered students. Click on New at the top right of the next menu to register your new student. Start by entering your student's name, then your student's email. Enter the student's USI. Ensure the active icon is on, blue. Click the tick box to send an email to your student. Then click Add Student. Your student will receive an email with instructions on setting up their password and login. At this stage, your student doesn't have a unit of competency assigned. Select a unit of competency. Click on Students at the top left of the main menu. This will open the Manage Students dashboard that includes your student's name. In this example, we'll open Student 4. Click on the icon to open Student 4. Enter the assessor you'd like to assess Student 4's RPL evidence. Select RPL as the program type. Enter the unit code. Click Confirm when your unit code and title appear. You may continue to add more units of competency for this student. You'll be prompted to activate the selected units of competency. Click on Check Out. Follow the prompts to make your purchase. That's it. You'll receive confirmation and a tax invoice via email within minutes. To understand the assessor's workflow in more detail and to become more familiar with the student's role, please view Assessor's Tutorial, Student's Tutorial.